let's make awal, a very traditional Omani dish made with shark jerky. But I don't know the recipe, so I asked the best chef in Oman to help. Yeah, Haytham, teach me how to make awal.
نغلي العوال لمدة 10 دقائق. نشخل العوال نغليه لمدة ساعة مع كركم وفلفل أسود and water.
But Haytham, what if I don't have shark jerky?
تقدر تستخدم القاشع أو المالح أو التونة.
Chop a lot of onions
3 قرون فلفل يشعوط.
and squeeze a whole lot of lemons.
ولا تكون بخيل في الليمون، حالاتها بالليمون.
Once the meat is tender, mash it with a spoon. Haytham tells me that you can adjust the texture to your liking. Add some
سمن بقر عماني.
to a pan and saute the onions till wilted.
سمعوا الريحة بس.
Add the chilies
نضيف العوال.
and all of the lemon juice. Sprinkle some
ملح وردي.
black pepper, a big pinch of za'atar and chili flakes.
وخلطنج.
Top the rice with more Omani ghee
وننزل العوال فوق العيش.
and don't forget about the lemon sauce. Haytham, how do we eat it?
with your mouth.
Seriously.
وما تحله إلا بالخمس. and enjoy.